This is a brief demo of Waterbug. Waterbug tracks fluid levels in a vessel like this glass here and triggers an actuator, in this case a high current relay, which can control a pump to remove the water. This is for, the inspiration was collecting and getting rid of a leak in our basement because our water heater had a slow leak in it. It's powered off a LiPo battery. You can also recharge over micro USB, and you can also run it off USB using power path management. It uses a SAM-W25 module that has a Wink 1500 Wi-Fi SoC on it, so it's connected via Wi-Fi. It has these two actuators which are called float switches. It's a polyurethane ring with a magnet embedded, and there's a reed switch in the shaft. So when I move the float up, it triggers the switch, and they're buoyant, so if the water level rises up to the switch, it triggers. I have a low and a high warning, so the low might be lower in the vessel and the high will be at the full mark. So if the water level is rising in the vessel, we hit the low mark, that triggers, and then once we get to the full mark, turns the relay on, starts pumping water out, so the water level starts to drop. We lose the high mark, and then we get down to the low mark, the relay turns off. All this is visible on the dashboard. The dashboard can also manually control the relay. This is using an MQTT broker set up on a Raspberry Pi Zero, and it can also do over-the-air firmware updates. So right now it is running a heartbeat check where the board returns with its version to show that it's alive, and we're going to see that once I start running the upgrade, the heartbeat will fail for a little while it's running through the upgrade, and then it'll return with firmware version 2.0.